Giving credit. If you use anything that is created by someone else, you must tell who created it, or else you have violated copyright or Creative Commons law. So, for example, this guy over here on the left, he just said that it was by himself, whereas the guy on the right said a works cited and gave the website that he got the information. So this is much better. The person on the left right here has violated copyright law. If you use something that does not have a Creative Commons license, it has a copyright, and you can only use the following amounts. Always assume something has a copyright, by the way. If you use someone else's video, for example, and you want to post it on YouTube, you're limited to 1/10 of the video or 3 minutes, whichever is less. If you want to use somebody else's words that they've written on a website or written in a book, you're limited to 1/10 of the author's words or 1,000 words, whichever is less. If you want to use somebody else's music, for example, in your own YouTube video, you're limited to 1/10 of the song or 30 seconds, whichever is less. So always remember that the C with the circle stands for copyright, but even if you don't see that symbol, assume that something has a copyright. If you use something that has a Creative Commons license, you can use the entire thing, meaning the entire video, the entire website, the entire book, the entire song. However, some Creative Commons licenses have symbols that tell you what you are not allowed to do with the work. They are as follows. NC stands for non-commercial. It means that the source cannot be used for money-making purposes. So, for example, if you wanted to take a photo that was given a non-commercial license, you couldn't print that photo onto t-shirts or anything and sell them. No derivatives, also known as ND, means the source cannot be changed, such as using a photo editor, so you wouldn't be able to edit it. And then finally, share alike means that the source can be changed. However, you must share your work with the same Creative Commons license as the original creator, meaning that you wouldn't be able to take the photo and put your own copyright on it. If something's posted on social media, this is where it gets a bit tricky. Anything on social media is Creative Commons only. So that means that people can sell it, change it, or share your photos or written content. So there is no ND for no derivatives. There is no NC for non-commercial. People would be able to sell or change or share anything that you post on social media.